There can be a number of issues creating excessive burping, but if you're like getting kicked out of dinner parties, there's probably something going on. And in most cases, it's going to either be a lack of stomach acid, so you don't have enough acid to break down that food, and the food has to break down by rotting and fermenting, and that creates all these gases and pressure that kind of pushes this pressure up that causes the burp. Or there could be a bacterial overgrowth in there, then all these gases that they're creating are pushing up this pressure that creates the burping. In either case, a person can take steps to correct those issues, and then the burping just kind of goes away. So if you want to dig into this and understand this further, click on the link on the screen or in our pinned comment for our video on why do I burp so much.